Alright, let's see if this is working. Yeah. Looks like I got audio. Music is working. I got Twitch and YouTube streaming. Let's see, they are both live. All seems to be working. And welcoming David and marketing purposes. Let's see. Let's get into some plugin work. Yes, you should be able to see my Visual Studio now. Yeah. That's all working. Great. I will be working on the draw plugin for OBS Studio today. So, but if you have any questions about any of the other plugins or things like that, just ask away. For the draw plugin, I am looking at adding an undo stack. I will be streaming for about 1 or 2 hours, something like that. So if I'm around after the meeting, it's fine either way if you drop by or not. I'm here because of John B promoting you guys. I want to learn how to add these plugins to my DJ stream. I don't think Draw is the best for DJ stream, because what Draw allows you to do is like draw on top of your canvas, and that's it can be interesting to select or show something or explain something on your stream. Well, you never know, I'm a silly person and I also do gaming. Yeah, like the recursion, I can show you recursion. Let's add some background removal to this, and then add a recursion effect, and then let's do the delay doesn't matter that much, but I can add copies of myself behind and do some rotation, scaling, just a bit of offset. It's, I think, better to show it on a scene. So if I remove it here and just paste it here, it doesn't like being pasted. now. Then we just add a recursion effect here, and we just scale and rotate a bit, and just do it like that. And then if I take the image and yeah, that's fine. I don't want to debug it now anyway. I can do effects like this. If you do like 2 recursion effects, let's do the default settings to start with, and just do like a bit of offset that way, so that you have the copies there. Do a second one and do it to the other direction. You can create a whole army of people, and if the first one moves, the other ones move just a little bit after that, and you can change the timing of that. It's now 1 millisecond, but if I do like 100, then if the first one moves, they all move after that. So yeah, there are cool things possible with recursion. So, let's see, who did I miss? Who did it come in? Fluffless, welcome on in. Can the movement of each recursion be random? What do you mean random? I can change it with a move filter or things like that. Like the same as I move the offset here. That can be done with a move filter. And you can play with different delays. There is a lot possible. If they don't move all in the same time, it would give really an arm-like feel. Yeah, but now they all have a bit tired timing. So, yeah. And now I have the recursion, and I can also inverse it. And then they are all in front of each other, so then you will need something a bit more offset to have it work. But all kinds of effects are possible that way. And we can also make all the copies just a little less visible. So the first one is fully visible, and all the others are just a little bit more transparent each step. What else did I add to recursion effect that might be interesting? Yeah, you can make them smaller, all the copies, still make them go that way. For the best effect, the X and Y scaling should be the same, so thank you Finite for the subscription, 13 months, yeah. And do you know a way how to create two-sided card in OBS? Yeah, like with a 3D effect, then you should have to have it two-sided. You should have two sources. One, if you add a 3D effect to a source, you can do the rotation, and then when it gets to 90 degrees, show another source and then do the rotation on that one. Because at this moment you can switch in the other source and then do that movement on the other one. Like you explained, I do it. Yeah, that's the only way I can think of at the moment. So let's see, that's still there. Let's see, I don't see any messages on YouTube. Let's see if I missed any. No, there are no messages on YouTube. And I don't miss any. For the draw plugin, I want to be able to do. I did now a pencil drawing, and if I click the undo, it only changes just the last bit of the pencil drawing, because it's just keeping the last frame. And it should have an undo stack that's as a frame where when I started drawing, not the end. So we need to work on that. It's plenty if the user screwed up, it's their own fault. Yeah. Yeah, kinda, but not really. I want to support the user a bit more. So let's go into some code. Just started working on it, and I made an undo array stack with text render so that I can fill that at the moment a new tool is applied. So I should go to mouse click, and I think I need to do do something like apply tool, but let's call it copy to undo. And I want the context in that. It's an array now, but I think hey, welcome on in, Res One Coding. And welcome on in, Camera Tim. I think I need the circle buff. Gonna need this. Because that changed from circle buff to DQ, and then buffer for Q for DQ for the undo. Excellent. Finally figured out how to use hotkeys without assigning any keys in OBS. With WebSocket, yeah, that's possible. It's like trigger hotkey by name, and in the latest OBS it also allows you to set a context if you want to trigger a hotkey on a specific source. I know that because I made that change in OBS WebSocket that allows you to set a context. Yes, I need this one. What's cooking? I'm working on the draw plugin for OBS, and I'm trying to make like an undo stack so that you can undo some changes that you did with the last thing you draw or something like that. That shoot. Wizardry. Let's see. I have my buffer now, and I clean the buffer. Not sure if this is possible or not. Is there a way to change the color space and gamma of an image from its source? You're using a LUT. I am not sure. I'm not that good with color spaces and things like that, so. Yeah, streamer bot action with OBS RAW works, yeah. It would be easier if it's directly in the Stream Deck plugin. Yeah, the Stream Deck plugin for OBS doesn't seem to have that much changing. I have a pull request open for them like, I don't know, a year now. I think it's more. Let's see. Pull request for October 2023. So yeah, that's more than a year that the pull request is open. This one. There, let's see. Talking about cameras, yeah. Not something I'm familiar with. All those cameras. Here. Let's make a stack of 5 for now. We need to enter the graphics and leave the graphics. Tetrahedral interpolation. Yep. Difficult words. No. Something like this. Let's see. Welcome on in, Andy. So we need to render the text render and then add it to the buffer. I don't think I have to reset it because it's created there, yes. This will be removed. We'll be needing this part. And that needs to be here, and then it should be okay. Copy to I see that the Growly Bear is coming. Hello, welcome. Let's see. Copy to undo is used here. Do I need to copy it? I need to copy every time the mouse is down, goes down, and there is a tool selected. No, that's not correct. Because you can cancel line drawing, and if you cancel that, you don't need to undo. So in that case, I don't need this check. First copy it to undo and then apply the tool. First copy to undo and then apply the tool. That should be working. Let's see if this makes it crash or something. That all seems to be working. To clear, I also need to add to the undo stack. Yeah, that needs to be. This should be above this one. Otherwise, it won't compile. Let's see if we get to this part of the code. We need to move this one up. Hey, welcome on in, T. Anyone else find that the latest version of OBS on Mac is unusable? Keeps crashing. I don't use OBS on Mac that often. I sometimes start up a Mac to do just some testing, but I'm not familiar with the stability of OBS on Mac. If I were you, I would ask on the OBS Discord, there is a Mac support channel, and they should be able to help you. And if there are known issues for Mac, I would think they would have made the fix already, because there are some core developers of OBS that are Mac users. So. Two, 3, 4, 5, and we get to this part. Yeah, seems to be working. But I think I can move this here. Just do it like that. Just behind there. So now we have all the last 5 previous versions in our undo stack. So let's go to our undo that would be this code. If we use the undo button. And welcome back, Camera Tim. If there is nothing in the undo stack, we need to do nothing. Let's see. And destroy the old one. Let's see if that works. I quit my job yesterday for a new opportunity. Oh, that sounds like a big step. It's working. Now I can also make a redo button. The way I made it now, I don't have the redo button. I can only redo the... No redo at the moment. How about redo, but it introduces just a little bit of randomness? Nah. If I want a redo button, I need a... I can do that, but I need... another stack. Redo with a question mark, yeah. So in that case, I don't need to destroy the old one, but I need to that will remove all redos. And then when we copy to undo, we need to clear our undo or our redo. buffer. So that's let's make the redo button. Let's make this another name so that it doesn't conflict with just below here. I wish you all the best. Thank you. Let's see. In the draw dock we have some undo button now. Let's add some redo. Then we need there is an undo proc handler. Then we need a redo proc handler. We need something of the same. If there is nothing to redo, we can return right away. We get the last item from the redo. Yeah. Pushing back to the undo stack. I wish you all the best every day when I use your work to work. Yeah, thank you. So we need to add the drop handler for redo. Will I get it working in one go? Undo, redo. No, not working. Do I get to my redo proc handler? Yes. But my redo size is 0. So let's add some things to the Access violation. That does not sound good. Let's start over and see where I go wrong. When I click undo, it adds to the redo stack. So that should be good. So when we get here, redo. V is active. It's set to that one. But I don't see it. Unfortunately, Connect is pretty low resolution. The NVIDIA AR stuff has depth detection for faces, but let's see. Interesting. As soon as I clicked, it seemed to restore. Undo, redo. It's redoing in the wrong buffer. This render A is active. Then we this seems good to me. I am breaking. Let's see if it's in the undo or in the redo that I do something wrong. It's in the undo because I didn't do a redo and we get this error. Let's see. And copy to undo. Let's see if we get to those breakpoints. Why can I not destroy the redo buffer? Let's see. If we when we undo, we get one from the undo and render from the undo stack and place it in text render. There in the render that is active, and the old one we put in the redo stack. That all seems fine. But when we destroy that redo stack, hey, welcome on in, Mr. K. Let's see. We have something in the undo stack now that should be in the redo stack now. Text render I destroy, so that's correct. Text render destroy. Need to go. Wish you all a fantastic stream. Thank you. Let's disable the redo code for a bit and see if the undo let's rerun. Undo seems to be working if I do it this way. That should also be fine. So undo should not be able to remove everything. Let's see. Let's remove this, that. Blades. Undo, redo. No. Not working. Take the last one from the redo stack. Put it in text render. If render K is active, There is your error. Avoid the old pointer. This can be removed. This can be removed. This can be removed. This. So that's the pointer. Yeah, that should be it. With this one. That was one line too many. Undo, redo. Yes, it's working. Then I need to re-enable this part. I knew you would do it, yeah. Sometimes it can take a bit longer than you hope it takes, but look, we're getting there. Yes, the breakpoint is expected, and then the redo is undone. Yeah. So it's an undo stack of 5 now. Let me make that configurable. And then when the source is updated, the maximum number of undos. let's refactor that like this. I think we should set up an extra draws picture routine where he has to stop doing whatever he's doing and draw the picture requested. Nah, I don't think that's a good idea. My drawing skills are not that good as my coding skills, so that's what would make it fun. Yeah, I'll think about it, but it might prove you're a human and not AI. Let's do the refactor the redo the same way. Apparently some people met him at TwitchCon. Yeah. Fine, you just need to come to TwitchCon in Rotterdam. I already bought my tickets, so I'll be there and then you can see me. The Europe version of TwitchCon will be in Rotterdam again, yeah. Conversion. That conversion you're talking about. This this one. I don't think I have used it here. Only 2 hours from your space, then you are not far away from me, I guess. For me, no, it's much less for me. It's like half an hour ride by car, and then I'm in Rotterdam. 40-hour flight. Let's see. Also with the hotkeys, it's working, the undo and the redo. Then I can add the redo count to this menu. That is cursor menu. Feels like doing a software inside a software. Resolve con. That probably is about the con about the software resolve. Is my guess. So lots of video editors. At this point, do you have the whole OBS doc memorized? No, not the whole doc, but I tend to look at the code more than the documentation. That's why I also use a Visual Studio that has the code of OBS and the plugins all loaded in one solution, because I tend to look at code more than documentation. Tickets to Amsterdam for that weekend are almost 2K. Ooh. Yeah. We want to what setting I call it max and do. Let's see how that looks. Don't look at the OBS code, just look at Excel's plugin code. Not all my plugin code is good, so and let's see. It's working. And now, yeah. Can make. No, I didn't do. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, something like that. Undo and redo working. Let's we added this one. That should look nicer now. I can also add it to the properties of the source. Okay. I'm missing something in this properties. Let's add the plugin info to the properties. Let's copy link. Let's format all documents. It's all working, and it has properties here, and if I add here, it should also have so that it's all done. Let's commit this. Let's see what we have changed. Move that one up. We edit that. Yeah, the redo was added, but we didn't add redo here. Undo is also not in here. Let's make sure it's all in the translation file. What else did we change? It's all in the user interface. The other changes are in the draw source itself. We added the undo and redo stacks. We moved those functions. This can be removed. This can be removed. Let's undo and redo. Thank you for dropping by, Fluffless. Good. That are the modes to copy to undo. You redo. That should be it. Let's see if GitHub Actions will like my changes. That is building. Doesn't fail right away, so most of the times is one of the first to fail. because Mac also is a bit more strict on code. But that looks like all the Mac builds are succeeding. The first one is done and the other one almost past the essential steps. Finally started on the build step. That build should be about the plugin step. Next things I want for the plugin, I think are all also issues. this bit here. Why did the package tab fail? These are the most interesting bugs. When you rerun the builder, it works. Hey, welcome on in, Theodoros. So that's all built. But I will things I want to add next is like favorite tools or things like that, but I think that will be for a next stream. Let's find somebody to rate, I think.